Linda, so we saw this in the JIC. This is a public health. Is this
Central Primary Care Facility?
Can you tell us a little
Yes.
bit more about this, Linda?
Yes, it's another facility in the central part of the island. As you know, we have the Northern Region Camille Center, and then we have the Southern Region Camille Center in Arahan. The Northern is in Dedido, everybody knows that. And this is the central facility that just opened just because of the COVID. It's just a temporary facility for now.
Okay, and so who can come? They can come in there, or they just call?
Well, it's better to call first, and
Right.
They can come in and see our nurses, and our nurses will screen them and get all the information that's necessary, just like they're coming in for any complaints or any symptoms. And if they are examined by our nurses, then they'll determine whether or not they need a nasopharyngeal swab. And if a swab is needed, then the nurse will do that.
Linda, so we're accepting patients at this central public health clinic, and these are patients with any type of elements or health issues?
Well, pretty much they can just be examined with any health issues, and then we will figure out where they're going to go as far as if they need to see a physician, and then we can refer them to the appropriate, whether Northern or Southern.
And is this for the uninsured or people? What kind of coverage do they have to avail of this?
Anyone, whether they have insurance coverage or not, Northern, any type of patients, even those that are uninsured, Medicaid, MIP, privately insured.
And is this was this clinic stood up because of was there an increase in people at maybe the Northern and the Southern clinic, and so you guys kind of needed to open this up?
No, we just wanted to make sure that there was a clinic at each region of the island. That was all. Just because of there may be transportation issues, that we want to make sure that all regions off the entire island is covered.
That's thoughtful of you. Linda, I know we asked about the clinic, but I just real quick, if you could, any update on the disaster declaration assistance that's supposed to be available?
Yeah, you asked me about the SNAP, right? Yeah. For now, the SNAP just got approved today. Fortunate that you called me. Yes, we just got the approval, but it's only for the emergency allotment. These are only for SNAP benefit recipients that are already on the program, and that they'll get the maximum allotment amount. For those SNAP benefits that already received the maximum allotment, it will not apply to them.
And then what about the, so just to be clear, there is going to be a program for people who don't normally qualify for food stamps, right? Because of the disaster declaration that was granted by President Trump?
On this one, no. This is that is not yet determined. The one I'm talking about is the ones that are already SNAP recipients. It's called an emergency allotment.
Right.
I don't have any answer on that regards yet, but for now, all I know for now is that the SNAP recipients that are already on the program will have a maximum allotment given to them now.
Have you guys seen an increase in people applying for the food stamps over the last week?
Right now, our staff are just busy with doing all this. If they are applying, they're doing it through telephone,
right, or email.
And yes, we have gotten several applicants. I think about a couple hundreds that came in through phone interviews. And they are applying, and yes, we're also evaluating whether they're qualified or not. That is an ongoing through telephone, and if they need anything dropped, it's just going to be dropped. We don't have a face-to-face visit at this point in time.
Okay.
I
know you're busy.
Yeah, I know you're busy, but just going back to, again, there is going to be, though, an emergency assistance with the food stamps because of the disaster declaration, but, what do you have on that?
I don't have anything on that yet with the food nutrition services, but we'll get back to you as soon as we hear anything.
Okay.
Is that fair enough?
That's so fair, Linda. Appreciate it. Thank you so
Linda.
much for your time.
Okay.
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 Take care.
Bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Linda Denorcey from the Department of Public Health and Social Services.
She was limited for time, so she just wanted to make sure, we wanted to make sure she gave us a little bit more information about the Central Primary Care Facility in Barrigada Heights. So it is now open. There are nurses and doctors that will be available to evaluate patients and collect specimens if necessary. It is located on South Savannah Barrigada Drive. To get to the center, the community is advised to take the south entrance to Barrigada Heights next to the commercial tire depot and drive to the top of the hill of the residential area until the road ends. The Central Public Health Center is the large complex. It's on the right side. It operates Monday through Saturday from 8 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock at night. You are advised to call first. That number is 638-4513. So they opened this facility today. They still have the community, the health centers in Arahan, and they still have the one in Deredo. So they opened this one in the central part of Guam to handle residents in the central part of the island. So again, that central primary care facility is now open in Barrigada Heights. Call first at 638-4513.
All right, and that's cool. That's a little proactive. Linda saying that they wanted to, accommodate and come out ahead of the curve in terms of giving people another avenue, whether you're sick, any type of ailment, and they're going to be doing the screening, and also the testing will be available if they make a determination that you need to be tested.
Right. And there was something else she said. The emergency SNAP, it was approved.
For SNAP recipients, people who are already on the SNAP program. And she also said that there's no word yet, no timeline yet on emergency food stamps for those who have been displaced or otherwise impacted by COVID-19. We know the governor had said apply for food stamps. I wasn't sure if she meant apply for the regular food stamps. Because, people who have just been laid off or had their hours cut, sadly, they might not even qualify for regular food stamps. But with the disaster declaration that President Trump approved, there's a lot of disaster assistance tied into that. And so Linda said that she's going to keep us posted.
Yeah.
And we're going to keep you guys posted because that's been a big part of the conversation this week is people are hurting. People are hurting.
And for those of you who have questions about that, you should just call 311.
Right, and they've actually done a couple things with the 311 number where there's a press 1 to do this and
right,
press 2 to do that.
Yeah, it'll direct you to whoever